Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, mentor, and host of the Grok Star Trading Room. Well, I'm going to talk about three quick trades that we had on SRPT. That's Sarepta Therapeutics. Apparently had some news overnight, because this is what it looked like at 4 o'clock on Monday. Down there it closed at $3.50 area. And here's what it looked like after opening. Kaboom! Look at that, up 110% at opening. It opened at 736 and started to fall. Now I had actually traded this 3 times during pre-market. Let's pull this down, and so let's see what happened after opening. Bam, and then boom. Oh man, I was ready to go short, and then my short actually did tick in at $7.37. I am short. Let's see what happened next. Bam! Oh, look at that! Isn't that great? All the way down here below this, the 703 area, and then it started to creep back up. Now I'm getting nervous, so I'm pulling down my stop. And I said to folks in the room, get ready to reverse on this one, because all of my indicators were reversing. Now I pulled back from that, and then boom! It did take off, and now I reversed and closed my short at 740 for minus 0.4%, and now I am long at 740. Let's see what happened next. Boom! Look at that. Boom, boom! Look at that. Each one of these, by the way, is over 1%. That one candle alone went up over 3%, and then it pulled back. Oh my, it pulled back over 2%, and then took off again. That's a little pullback, but boy, so if you missed this original long, here was another entry point. And it's now slowing down here, and then bam, pulled all the way back down hard. $8 is acting as support. And going back up a little bit, it's just kind of laying around. Boom! Look at that, up to $8.45. And then pull back. So I'm getting a little too nervous now. I'm going to take out half here. And I did. I took out half at 827 for 11.7%. Now, let's see what happened next. It's pulling up now. And this 830 now seems to be resistance. Pulling back, and then I went ahead and I got out here at $8.17 for 10.4%. So the long trade from down here, half out there and the other half right down here, was for 11.05% in 17 minutes. Well, let's see what happened next. Oh, boom, it took off again. And on volume, so we went ahead and we saw long again at $8.40. And it pulls back and then takes off. Boy, we better pull this one down. Let's see what happens next here. Boom, there we go to 881. Now this 880 seems to be resistance. Starting to high base here. Is it going to take off, or is it going to pull back? Bam, it pulled back. And then right to the 8 EMA, it acted as support, and then it took me out here right at 863. I was stopped out for 4.3% in 7 minutes. So these 3 trades together, all on this here, with a short and 2 longs, was for 14.95%. And this was just 3 of 7 trades that we called on SRPT today, for 24.15% on called trades just on this one stock alone. And we actually had 15 called trades for a net of 30.7% in the Grok Star room today. If you'd like to join us in the Grok Star room and trade right alongside of us 30 days for free, just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to the chat room page, and down below is where you can sign up for that free trial. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron here, just to remind you that just like with this stock that was already up over 100%, anything can happen in the markets, and you need to be open to it, both mentally, physically and electronically.